So I changed my shifter from my Nissan Qashqai from 2009. So it's a shifter from Ali, and it's already been placed on it. But I want to tell you about it, how you can do it. The shifter has a white bracket inside here in the middle, and the new shifter is placed on it. So when you remove the old one, don't damage the white center bracket on the shifter, because if you do so, then the new shifter cannot be placed on it and you have a big problem. So what I did is this. It started raining in the car. This is the old bracket. So what you need is a screwdriver and a lighter so you can heat it. But chronologically you have to do it like this. So when you see the old bracket, I put a saw on it on the side. It was placed like this so. And first I put a screwdriver underneath it, but it didn't work. So I put a screwdriver on it and it didn't work. So I changed it for a little iron saw, and I saw it like this on the side a little bit further away. But be careful, don't saw in the middle, because the white bracket cannot be damaged. And the end, I was into the center of it. Be careful when you saw it like this. And then I heat it. I heat it with a lighter, and then I put on a little tool on it, and I rub it like this, and then I pull it and yanked it, and then it came loose. So first with the iron saw, cut it until you are a little bit on the center, but you have to be careful to not damage the middle of the shifter. And then you can heat it a little bit, and then you can pull it. But it's almost impossible to pull it when it's cool. You have to saw it to get in the middle, and then heat it a little bit around for about 2 minutes, and then you can pull it and yank it off. And then you place the new one on top of it, of the white bracket, and then you push it down, and then it's all tight again, and you have a nice shifter. In this case it was sent from me from China. So good luck.